Oh, oh.
Hey, why don't you switch on your air conditioner?
Yes, I ran AC for 2 hours to cool my room, then I slept well for some time. But then the temperature went up in no time. Now I can't sleep, I'm all sweaty, and I don't think I'll be using AC the whole night. You know very well, it's a high electricity bill. I feel like sitting in refrigerator at times. Since refrigerator takes much less electricity than an air conditioner, even though both have equally powered compressor.
Why not?
What? Sitting in the refrigerator?
No. Air conditioner consumes
Hmm?
more electricity because it cools down a huge area. On the other hand, refrigerator cools down a very small area. So, why do you need
Hmm.
to cool an entire room to go to sleep if your requirement is only to cool just yourself? Smart mattress pad. Sleep cool or warm. A cooling comfort when it's hot season. Or gentle warmth when it's shivering cold. Sleep cool or warm. A cooling comfort when it is hot season or gentle warmth when it's shivering cold. No more waking up due to sweating. No more waking up due to shivering cold. Individual cooling. Any bed size. Sleep deep with smart mattress pad that fits any bed size on any existing mattress. Available as single pad or double pad. 55% of couples disagree on sleep temperature. 8 to 40 smart mattress pad helps you sleep better together. Dual zone bundle for couples. Ends fights over the thermostat. Get half of the bed cooled like Alaska and the other half warm like Hawaii. Cuddle all night. If you find your soulmate too hot or too cold to cuddle, Smart Mattress Pad will help solve the problem of couples reaching desired temperature so they can cuddle all night. So love more and find true love. Save huge on electricity bills. The electricity consumption of our product is just 0.64 kilowatt hour compared to 8 kilowatt hour of an 1-ton air conditioner. Let's see how it works. Temperature-regulated sleeping pads to keep mattress cool or warm. This can be placed directly on top of any existing mattress, any size. The main concept of this product is, it is not required to cool entire room just to cool down a human body. We use air conditioners to keep our body cool, but they cool large areas using huge amount of energy. Our 8 to 40 uses Peltier cooling technology. In 8 to 40 Smart Mattress Pad, water flows through soft silicone coils in the sleep pad to consistently keep you at your desired temperature throughout the night for a more restful sleep. You can change the temperature by using the control buttons on the power unit. The temperature range of the sleep pad can be set between 8 to 45 degrees Celsius. The cool or heat sleep pad is perfect for people who suffer from hot flashes and night sweats. The power unit is very quiet and ideal for continuous use throughout the night. Since the cool or heat sleep pad is developed with special technology, you can easily choose between heating or cooling by easily adjusting the temperature. The cool or heat sleep pad heating option makes people feel nice and warm throughout the cold winter months. Credible safety system of Smart Mattress Pad. The liquid-filled soft coils in the cotton pad can bear 330 pounds of pressure. There is also a pump inside the power unit that transfers fluid to the cotton cover surface through soft tubing. The electrical power unit is separated from the PVC pad itself, and therefore accidental liquid spills on the cover will not cause an electrical shock. Environmentally friendly. The cool or heat sleep pad totally abandons the freon-based air conditioning systems that harm our atmosphere. The cool or heat sleep pad is the newest contribution to protecting the environment. Our thermoelectric system design provides cooling and heating in small dimensions so that anyone can use it conveniently. Now let's compare Smart Mattress Pad with an AC. With very low running cost. AC is the widely used solution for the heat issues. But is it necessary to carry such big burden? As we all know, an AC will raise your electricity bill up to Rs 3,000. When using Smart Mattress Pad, the bill will be as low as Rs 500 per month. Eco-friendly. While using AC, healthy air ventilation compromises in closed room that may cause headache, allergies, lethargy, illness and plays lead role in global warming. Smart Mattress Pad is eco-friendly. Self-installation. AC requires a trained technician to install and it wants to carve the walls. But here, self-installation which takes only up to 10 minutes. No separate power line required. AC requires a 15 ampere separate power line, whereas a 2 ampere line is sufficient for Smart Mattress Pad. Running with less power backup. AC cannot run on 1 kVA inverter, but Smart Mattress does. Installation step by step. Connect the controller. Push until you hear the sound of a click. Press power button to turn on the controller. Feed water. Feed water to the controller. As soon as you pour water, the controller pumps water into the sheet. Check water level display. You can see that the water level comes down. Keep adding water until the water level is full and close the cap. Start controller. The controller will sound alarm since water tank is empty. Press mode button to select the hot or cold, which is displayed on controller screen. Press increase or decrease arrow to select desired temperature. Cold is from 8 to 28 and hot is from 28 to 48. Select enter key to set to selected program. Monthly maintenance. 1. Clean the filter. 2. Change water in the controller. Water can be drained out from sheet and controller just like this.